Hello everyone, join us today to make a very easy marshmallow. I'm glad that you be with me. If you enjoy the content of my channel, click the subscribe button to become a member of my channel and ring that little bell so you know whenever I post a new video. Ingredients: sugar 2 cups, water 2 half glass, gelatin powder 2 tablespoons, jelly powder 100 grams, sugar powder for decoration. Pour half a glass of water and 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder into the bowl and mix them together. Continue this until the gelatin powder is completely dissolved in water. Then let it rest for 10 minutes until it blooms. In the meantime, first turn on the gas and then pour the half a glass of water and the sugar into the pot and mix them together until it boils. When it boils, do not stir anymore and let it boil on the heat for 10 minutes. Now, I add the jelly powder to the mixture of water and sugar and mix them until the jelly powder is completely dissolved. If you use hot jelly powder, you can mill it before adding the jelly powder to your mixture. Remove the pot from the heat and slowly add the mixture into the bowl of gelatin and water. Then I mix it with an electric mixer at low speed for 2 minutes. Now we start stirring with a fast turn until the marshmallow is big and completely thick. At this stage, you can use vanilla or any essence you like, or even add a few drops of food coloring to make it more colorful. However, in my opinion, the scent and the color that jelly powder gives into the marshmallow is enough, and there is no need to add food color or essence. Now I bring the mold. As you can see, the marshmallow mixture is very bulky and sticky, so I turn off the mixer. Grease the mold and put the grease-proof paper on the bottom. I cut the excess of grease-proof paper with scissors. Grease on grease-proof paper. If you desire, sprinkle a little powdered sugar. Pour the marshmallows into the mold and smooth it with a spoon. The size of the mold is optional. If you use a smaller mold, the marshmallow has more thickness. And if you use a large mold, the marshmallow has a lesser thickness. Sprinkle a little powdered sugar on it. Let the marshmallows rest for 4 to 6 hours at room temperature. Our marshmallow is ready. In order to cut a marshmallow more easily, I take a teaspoon of oil and grease the knife with a brush. I take it out of the container. As you can see, it looks like a green cloud. The marshmallow is ready to cut. You can see the texture, cohesion, and softness of marshmallow in the picture. Whenever you see that your knife is sticky, lubricate it with a little oil. You can roll each slice in a little powdered sugar or coconut powder or a little jelly powder, but I don't do it because I like the simple taste of marshmallow. Put the marshmallows in the freezer bag and store it in a closed container in the refrigerator. With this method, your marshmallow will be on the same quality as the first day for 1 week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy the content of my channel, click the subscribe button to become a member of my channel and ring that little bell so you know whenever I post a new video.